Welcome tech lovers, Ibrar here. What if I told you that you could access an AI model that rivals Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-5 level of coding intelligence completely for free? Today we are diving into the massive GLM 4.7 update, Zhipu AI release GLM 4.7 Flash, which provide 30 billion parameter and active 30 billion, and it support context length model of 128k tokens. Whether you are a developer looking for the automate your workflow, this model is the game changer. In this video we will break down what makes GLM 4.7 special and show you exactly how to start using today without spending money. So GLM 4.7 is a state of the art mixture of expert MoE model, right? So the latest Flash update is especially optimized for speed and efficiency, boosting 30 billion parameter with the focus on agentic coding. Basically agentic coding. This means it doesn't just write snippets, it understands full project structure and can even fix real world GitHub issues or your coding base issues. According to the official benchmarks, it scored an incredible 73.8. Here you can see 73.8 SWE-bench, putting it an absolute frontier of open weight model. It built for those who need high performance reasoning without the proprietary price tag. Models are available on Hugging Face and Model Scope. Here are the links. This is the Hugging Face link, and here are models. So you can use any of the version relevant to your requirement, right? And they given here information. Let me open the model scope as well. Here is the model scope, and on the Hugging Face, let me fix the not only GLM 4.7 Flash. So in the Flash you can see available all options how you can use this, and in model scope also that is available here, right? So coming to the feature sections, what inside the GLM 4.7 features. So once you go here, there are multiple features. You can see here GLM 4.7. Once you scroll down here, GLM 4.7, 4.7 Flash X and Flash. So once you go here, there are multiple features. But coming to the feature section, so let's look at three standard feature of that set GLM 4.7. First one is the high performance reasoning. Using interleave thinking, the model pauses the reason before every action. This leads higher accuracy in complex math and logic. The second one is the vibe coding excellence. It's optimized for aesthetics. When you ask for a UI, it's generate modern clean layout, not the ugly default CSS we usually see in other LLMs. So once you go on the blog itself and open the AI, so let's say here, and they provided the multiple cases. So once you go in the cases, let's say lifestyle and cyber domain, artistic portfolio. So 4.7 output is the different and 4.7 output is the very different. The CSS is completely changed. And similar, once you go in the artifact showcase, and you can see the different, and in the poster showcase you can see the different. Coming to here in the slides creation showcase, 4.6 GLM 4.6 generated Zootopia in the different cases. But once you use GLM 4.7, now you can see the generated by the 4.7 Flash. It is very amazing. Once you click on this prompt, or you can try any prompt from here, and you can see prompt are available on every places, so you can try any of them. Okay, you can see prompt how we used it, right? So everything you can see here. Okay, coming back to the third point, the main advantage of massive context window. In GLM 4.7 Flash, the main advantage is massive context window. It support 2 lakhs token input and 1 lakhs 28,000 token output. You can literally feed an entire code base or novel in a single shot, in a single go, one go, right? So why should you switch to the GLM 4.7? The question is why we check GLM 4.7 instead of GPT, instead of any other things. The first one is the cost effective innovation. So you get GPT class performance for $0, right? So let's see that one, how we can get. Once you go here, you can see here GLM 4.7 Flash is free, right? So that is the cost effective, and this is the alternative, you can say this is the alternative for Cloudy 3.5 Sonnet or GPT 5 level, right? So it is perfect for hobbyist or startup looking to scale without heavy API cost. The second good thing is the local and private, because it is open source and you can run it locally on your own hardware using tool like Ollama or LM Studio, keeping your data 100% private. You can see here I already done the setup, where it is, yeah, Ollama, we already done the setup here, but as of now I'm using the cloud. And let's say if I want to deploy it locally, in that case I need to go inside the Ollama Docker container and we need to pull GLM 4.7 Flash. What happening here, as of now, which Ollama I have deployed here, that is the old version, I need to upgrade it. So instead of showing here to avoid video length, I will try to make another video how to deploy GLM 4.7 or how to deploy any LLM locally on your VM in the next video, right? And third one is the developer friendly. It is natively integrate with popular tool like Klein, Roo, Code and Cursor, making it drop in replacement of more expensive model. So how you can access GLM 4.7 for free? Let's say if you don't have a VM to host, then you want to access, but how you can access it? So ready to try? Yes. Here is the easiest way you can get started with free. First one, use the official, just open it, Z.ai, and here you need to do the login and you can start the trying chat, and you can generate your API token from here and you guys use it in any application like any ID like Klein, Roo, Code or Cursor, anywhere, right? Second one is the option, if you have open router, if you are using open router and you have some let's say credits, then you can use open router using GLM 4.7 Flash. The third one is the local execution. If you have a decent GPU to run the LLM, then you can use. As of now, as I showed you that I already deployed here, but in my Docker container I'm not able to pull, so my plan is to show you how to run it local or how to upgrade this existing Ollama, right, in the upcoming session. The pro tip is the for you that for best coding result, enable thinking mode. Once you go here, where it is Z.ai, the pro tip for the best coding result, enable thinking mode in the setting to let the model work through the logic before it's written the code. GLM 4.7 is the proof that gap between open source and paid AI closing faster than ever. Go ahead and test your coding project and let me know the result in the comments. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the official documentation and the chat portal. I hope this guide will help you. Have a nice day ahead. Happy learning.